Hi everyone. For this question, given that the position vectors P, Q, R, and S are given such that S minus P dot with Q minus R equals to 0 and S minus Q dot with R minus P equals to 0. From this information, we simplify first. To expand this, it will be SQ and then SR, PQ, and PR. So the dot product will be S dot with Q minus S dot with R minus P dot with Q, negative, negative, positive, P dot with R equals to 0. And then for the second information, where S minus Q dot R minus P. So similar here, we expand the dot product here, SR, SP, QR, QP. So from here we can notice that we have similar term here, SR and PQ. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We can take equation 1 plus with equation 2, where SQ remain, and then negative, positive cancel each other, and then PQ and QP, they are same, so positive, negative cancel each other. Then here is plus with PR minus SP, then minus QR. So as we can see, P minus Q we try to obtain, then S minus R we try to factorize it out. So we rearrange for the term involving S, SQ minus SP. Then for the term involving R, PR, QR. So from here we factorize out our S and factorize out our R. So S inside here will be Q minus P plus, when we factorize out R, inside here will be P minus Q. So we can notice that we are nearly to the same vector here, where we're going to try to maintain P minus Q. So when we maintain P minus Q, the negative we factorize out, it will be negative X, P minus Q, then we factorize out the whole thing, P minus Q, P minus Q. As we take out this vector, P minus Q, remaining is negative X plus R. Then we continue, we can see that we obtain that P minus Q, but we haven't obtained S minus R. So we have negative X plus R, we take out negative, it will be S minus R dot with P minus Q equals to 0. Lastly, we divide the negative, so we can get the vector X minus R dot with P minus Q equals to 0. Shown. Then we proceed for the next question, where the vector P, Q, R, S is given. Find the value of x and y. So we have two unknown to be found. So we substitute into the equations here. For the first equation, we can find here is x minus p dot with q minus r, it can be 0. So for the vector x minus p, so x minus p, it will be x minus 4. Then for the vector y minus 5. So this is the vector x minus p dot with q minus r. So q minus r here, it will be 3 minus negative 4. It gives us 7. And then for the j, 2 minus 1, 1. So from this, we do our dot product, x with x, y with y. So here we have 7x negative 28 plus y minus 5 equals to 0. So here we come the first equation, 7x plus y equals to 33. Then we use the second information for this x minus q dot with r minus p equals to 0. So x minus q, so x minus 3. Then for y minus 2 dot with vector r minus p, so negative 8. Then for y, 1 minus 5. So simplify this dot product. Alright, so x time with x, y time with y, we get this. So we simplify, we get negative 8x minus 4y. It gives us negative 32. And then we try to simplify, we still can divide by 4 or negative 4. So that we can get similar term here, positive y to find this x, y. We can use elimination method where equation 1 minus equation 2, we get 7x minus 5x, we get 5x. Then for this 33 minus 8, we get 25. So x is 5. So lastly, we substitute back into equation 2 or equation 1 to find out x, to find out y. So 8 minus 10 will give us negative 2.